Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW 3 Series bonnet. First, locate the primary release lever inside the cabin, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You'll hear a distinct click, and the bonnet will slightly unlatch, popping up just a little bit. This initial step prepares the bonnet for the next stage of opening. Now, move to the front of your BMW and stand directly in front of the bonnet. You'll notice a small gap where the bonnet has popped up. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, right above the grille. You're looking for a small, secondary release lever or catch. It's often located slightly off-center, either to the left or right of the BMW emblem. Once you've located that secondary lever, you'll need to push or slide it. Depending on your specific 3 Series model, you might push it to the left or to the right. This action fully disengages the final lock mechanism. With the secondary latch released, the bonnet is now completely free, and you can lift it all the way open with ease. To keep the bonnet safely open while you work, look for the support rod. This rod is usually found clipped into a holder on the underside of the bonnet, often on the driver's side. Unclip it and insert the end into the designated slot on the engine bay frame. Make sure it's firmly seated to prevent the bonnet from accidentally closing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.